Welcome to the CHITA High Performance Operations Leader Training. CHITA is the most powerful way to lead and improve business operations. It's fast, it's so simple anybody can use it, and it gets great results, guaranteed. With CHITA, you can rapidly improve the quality of your products or services, improve customer satisfaction, create highly motivated employees, increase throughput and capacity, reduce injuries, and reduce cost, increasing your profits and cash flow, guaranteed. In just 2 hours, you will learn powerful business leadership tools. Tools you can use to quickly and easily improve a company's operations and its profits. With conventional management practices, actions are hit and miss. Sometimes management actions improve operations. A lot of the time, the actions hurt operations. Using the CHITA program, you can walk into any operation and begin leading it with complete confidence that all the actions will improve the operation. Under conventional management, it is very difficult to improve an organization's culture. Most often, the attempts to improve a company's culture end up damaging the culture and harming productivity. With CHITA, it's easy to create a high-performance operating culture without the stress and uncertainty that plagues conventional approaches. Your superiors and other employees will be impressed by your ability to lead and improve the organization so rapidly without even breaking a sweat. CHITA focuses on the operations level of organizations. This is where a company makes its money. Operations consist of processes that make money for your company, processes for developing and producing products or services, processes for selling, delivering, and collecting payment for products or services. CHITA has 3 main goals. 1. Assist organizations with rapidly improving profits and cash flow by increasing throughput and sales, improving quality, and reducing cost. 2. Empower and motivate your employees by giving them more control over their jobs and giving them the opportunity to earn more. To ensure that the improvements become permanent, CHITA creates a high-performance-driven culture where management and operators work together to improve the processes in small steps, creating an environment where your customers, management, operators, and owners all benefit from the better processes. Who can benefit from the CHITA program? If you are an experienced manager, you will likely be familiar with many of the tools CHITA uses, and you should be able to breeze through this leader training. Understanding these tools will give you complete control over the processes that you are responsible for and will greatly increase your power to get things done. If you plan to work as a manager in the future, but you have no professional experience yet, CHITA's simple language and step-by-step approach makes it easy for anybody in a leadership position to use. If you are a small business owner or planning to start your own business, again, CHITA's simple language and straightforward approach makes it easy for any business owner to use. Manufacturing companies, service providers, software developers, designers, private businesses, government agencies, nonprofit organizations, any organization that adds value for its customers or clients can benefit from CHITA. So why does CHITA work better than conventional management approaches? 4 things are needed to improve processes: information or knowledge about the processes, process improvement tools like run charts, Pareto charts, and fishbone diagrams, resources like money and time, and effort by somebody to drive the improvements. Information is applied to the tools to determine what actions are needed to improve the processes. Resources and effort are then required to implement the chosen actions. Under the conventional approach to process improvement, management controls the process improvement tools and expends a substantial amount of cost and effort to collect process data. The quality of the information is questionable, often leading to poor decisions that have a high cost. With CHITA, the operators already have the knowledge needed to improve the processes. Operators are trained when and how to use process improvement tools via the CHITA Operator Workbook. Process information is easily acquired, is more relevant and more accurate, resulting in high-quality decisions that have a low cost. Conventional management relies on coercion to motivate the operators to implement the changes to the processes, leading to operator resistance. Implementation is slow and difficult to keep on track. With CHITA, operators are highly motivated and push for implementation of process improvements. Implementation is faster and outcomes are much closer to the targeted expectations. This explains why CHITA runs circles around conventional management practices. CHITA is faster, more efficient, more effective, and produces predictable outcomes. To start the CHITA transformation in your organization, designated leaders, such as managers or supervisors, take this CHITA Leader Training course to learn how to confidently lead the CHITA transformation in your organization. The leaders meet with the process operators once a week for 1/2 hour to study the CHITA Operator Workbook. The CHITA Operator Workbook consists of brief lessons about process improvement tools. In simple language, it clearly explains when and how to use the tools. After each lesson, there are exercises that have the operators apply what they have learned to begin improving the processes that they work with daily. Improvement will begin shortly after starting the workbook. By the time your operators have completed the workbook, which takes about 15 hours, spread over 28 weeks, you will have completely transformed the operation and created a high-performance, continuous improvement culture. Your operators will be empowered and highly motivated to improve the processes that they work with each day, the same processes that make money for your company. There are some optional course materials that are available for purchase. There is a leader training text that's a hard copy of this video course, an operator workbook for training your operators how to improve the processes that they work with, and a flash drive that contains the PowerPoint training slides used for training your operators, and copies of the Excel forms that are used in the CHITA program. These materials are not required for you to take this course. But if you plan to utilize the CHITA program in your company, you would need one leader pack and one copy of the operator workbook for each of your operators. The leader pack contains one leader training text, one operator workbook, and one flash drive, and can be purchased at CHITAHPO.com for $49.95. The operator workbooks are available in English or Spanish and can be purchased individually for $15 each, or in lots of 100 for $10 each. These can be purchased at CHITAHPO.com. In our next session, I will show you how you can be an impressive business leader. With CHITA, it's easy.